Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges and the audience. My name is Clara Natasha Claudia Vega from SMA Negeri 1 Uringin Nano. As the opposition side, I disagree with today's motion that this house will give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. Now, before I talk about that, I have to tell you that gambling is not just a small mistake but a seriously mistake that can destroy families, society, and even the economy. If offenders are only given school service and training, they might not feel the real consequence of their actions. Imprisonment is necessary because it gives a strong deterrent effect, prevents them from repeating the same crime, and protects society from further harm. First is about legal consistency. Gambling is already categorized as a crime in Indonesian law. The Criminal Code KUHP 2023 clearly states that gambling is a criminal act, and the Electronic Information and Transactions Law (UU ITE) also regulates online gambling. Offenders can face up to 6 years of imprisonment or a fine of up to 1 billion rupiah. This strict regulation so that the states recognize gambling as a serious crime, not something can be solved with just training. If the punishment is changed only social service, it will create inconsistency on our legal system. People might think that the government is not serious in fighting gambling. Law is not only about punishing individuals, but also sending a message to society that current acts are dangerous and substance. Therefore, imprisonment is necessary to maintain respect for the law. And the second, gambling is detrimental because it causes significant financial losses such as debt and bankruptcy, triggers mental health disorders such as addiction, stress and depression, and damage social and family relationships. Furthermore, gambling can increase the risks of crime, productivity, and even exacerbate poverty and legal problems. There are several reasons why online gambling person need to be imprisonment, but from a legal, social, and moral perspective. Violating the law on Indonesia are forms of gambling as provided by the Criminal Code and the ID law. Online gambling is a criminal offense because it harms the winner community. Imprisonment is a form of punishment to create a deterrent effect for persons and others. Economic and social impact. Online gambling causes addiction, loss of money, and ultimately harm families. Many cases have seen perfections of online gambling go into debt, still are commit other crimes to finance their gambling. Profiting spread and recruitment of the victim of, if not punished firmly, perfections can become more free to influence others to join. Counterpart solutions. No, I do not deny that rehabilitation and education are important, but they should go together with imprisonment, not replace it. So, I propose some simple solution. First, it's about rehabilitation in prison. While serving their sentence, offenders can still get training and counseling. This way, they are punished but also have a chance to improve their life. Second, public awareness. Society, especially teenagers, must be educated about the dangers of gambling. Through school, social media, and the community programs. And third, stricter law enforcement. The government should block online gambling websites, monitor money transfers, and charge the operators behind them. Ladies and gentlemen, gambling is a serious crime with harmful legal, social, and economic impacts. That is why imprisonment must the main punishment. Rehabilitation and training can be given, but only inside, not as a replacement or social service and skill training. For this reason, I strongly reject this motion. Thank you.